Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PyCharm on your macOS so that you can code Python on your Mac. Alright, if it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to open your browser. You can use Safari web browser or use the Chrome browser. Here, I'm going to open the Chrome browser. And now you have to type on the address bar PyCharm download. So here it is. You have to search it, PyCharm download. And here you will get the first page named JetBrains. Click on it. And here you have to click on this accept all button if you want to accept cookies. On the other hand, if you want to download the PyCharm right now, just click on this download button and choosing the version of your macOS. If your Mac is built in Intel processor, then you can choose this one. Since my Mac's processor is built with Apple Silicon, so I'm gonna choose the first one and clicking on this download button. And the file is going to be downloaded on my laptop right now. Just I'm waiting until it is completely downloaded. Here we go. Here you can see that the file has been downloaded completely. So I'm going to double click on it to install it. And now you have to hold the file and drag it into the applications folder to install it completely. So here you can see that the file is being installed on our Mac OS. And that's it. We have installed PyCharm on our macOS. But now we are going to open it, selecting Finder and Applications after then. And I'm going to search PyCharm over here. So here is the PyCharm that we have installed. I'm double clicking on it to open it again. So it is verifying. And now I'm going to click on this open button. And that is, here is our PyCharm. Just clicking on this confirm, continue, don't send, allow, and that's it. This is our PyCharm interface. And from here on, you can create a new file and practice Python on your Mac OS. So here it is suggesting to install the latest Python. If you want to install the latest one, you can click on this yes button. Otherwise, you can click on this no button. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to download and install PyCharm on your macOS so that you can practice Python on your macOS. Thanks for watching.